Hello traders, welcome to this week's Forex Forecast with Oneman. This is an update to our last week analysis on DXY, Gbpusd, and gold. Last week we talked about how bullish DXY is overall. Hence we look for only selling opportunities on the XXXUSD pairs. But when we analyze it down, we saw a selling opportunity on the daily time frame, which we wanted to capitalize on before we continue buying. In last week's video, we saw the daily candle close below the demand zone, which clearly also broke our structure level, signifying a mini pullback. So I said I will wait for a 4-hour retest of the demand, and also said due to the news that piled up during the week, we may see price retest the structure, then get a selling pressure to push the price down to the weekly demand before price will continue going up. Unfortunately, no entry confirmations was seen. Hence, no trades were taken. But when the week started, we saw price gap up, back on the demand, which was tricky, and I was still expecting news to fill the gap down. But news came out strong, and DXY remained above the demand zone, refusing to drop throughout the week. So since price get back under the demand, I will remain bullish on DXY, because since price failed to push down, the demand holds. So it will push back up to retest the 110 area once again. Hence on XXXUSD, we will have to look for selling opportunities. Let's quickly update the GBP-USD pair, which in our previous video, we were waiting for a retest. Then we buy this week. But since we saw DXY is heading back, then buying GBP-USD won't be a good idea. I will rather wait to see how price react on our buy zone on the 4-hour. If the zone hold very strong and refuse to break, I will wait and watch the 4-hour time frame very closely to see if buyers will push the price up. On my entry time frame, for hour, if I get any strong bullish confirmation, I will buy, because technically we are in a good buy zone, but because DXY is still pushing up, buying the GBP-USD will be tricky. Either price consolidate on the buying zone throughout the week. If I see any strong buying candle, I will buy, or if price drops, breaking the zone, due to DXY strength, IT will drop back to the 1.2100 demand area, which will also act as a good buying zone. I will wait and buy from the 1.2100 zone. If price will head to the 1.2100 demand zone. If I see a clear break and retest, I will scale in and get on some sell positions, which I would not cover in this video. But overall, I might just wait to get the next buys at 12100. Our next pair is gold. Gold has created an all-time high in our last week video analysis. We said technically, gold was in a good buy zone. You can watch our last week breakdown on gold. In that video, I said due to news, I will wait to see some more sells before I buy, but that sells never came. Normally, as DXY is gaining strength, gold is supposed to be selling pressure, but due to fundamentals and geopolitical events ongoing, which we want talk into details in this video, gold keeps breaking new highs. In this week, the only demand zone I will wait to see if gold will come back to is the obvious demand at 2750 to 60 zone. If we get that, it will be a good buying chance. If the price retested immediate high it just broke, if I see buying opportunity, I will buy, but the ideal zone for me is a demand at 2750 to 60. If price pulls back, I will look for buying opportunity back to 2850. Swing trade. So this is my ideal setup for the week. I will only wait. If price can pull back to 27.50 to 60 demand zone, candle confirmation, then I buy. No selling. So that is basically it for the week. I hope you find some value in this video, and if you do, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe, as it helps the channel to grow. Watch out on analysis on others' pairs. Map the levels down and see if you can pick some of the trades. You can message me on all social media platforms at Trading with Oneman. Snap TikTok. If you want to join my WhatsApp group to get in some of the positions when I get into trades, you can message me on my other channels or leave a comment, and I will attend to you. Have a nice week and trade well. Watch out other analysis.